Today, we're going to talk about brand text marketing. We're going to show you on the back end and show you how you can use it to better promote and communicate between your business and your customer. So today, we're going to be talking about how to promote, and then we'll do another video on how you can use it as a communication tool. So don't forget that you can always go over to BRANDtextmarketing.com and you can start out by trying it free for 14 days. You'll get a demo keyword and 100 credits so that you can test it out, try it, see if it's going to be a good fit for your business. Once your account is created and you're ready to log in, you can just run over to the login button. You'll be redirected to the BRANDtext login page, enter your username and password, and we'll get logged into BRANDtext. First screen that's going to always show up is your dashboard. There's just some basic metrics and some easy shortcut buttons here to navigate BRANDtext easier. Now that you have your account, you're going to need to start out by getting a keyword. Now, a keyword is what the customer is going to text to your number to automatically be added to your text message marketing list. In this account, we have the keyword feed store set up. So you can see the example here. A customer can text feed store and they will get an auto reply thanking them for signing up. And we're also going to go ahead and give them 10% off for the next purchase as a prompt to get them to sign up. This is something we can edit and change to be whatever you want it to be. It's really easy to customize. You can simply just click this button and you can change this auto reply to be whatever you want it to be. As people start to text the keyword to your short code, they'll start being added to your list automatically. You can see all your contacts as they come in under the contacts button. This test account just has 2 contacts in it, but once they start coming into your account, you can actually start customizing your contacts. You can add first and last names, emails, and you can also sort them into groups. Now, this is really handy for segmenting your list out. In this account, we have a local group, an online group, and a VIP group. Maybe your local group is customers that shop in your store. Your online group are people who really prefer to buy online from you. And your VIP, maybe those are just some really good customers that buy from you quite a bit, and you want to give them some special promotions and offers and really take care of them. So now that you have your groups built out and people are getting on your list, it's time to send out your first bulk message. It's so simple. Just run over to the new message button, hit send group message. Now for this example, let's pretend that this is a feed store and that we are running a spring promotion on ranch equipment. So let's decide who we're going to send it to. We're going to send it to our local lists. Let's send it to our online list as well. And the subject is going to be ranch equipment special. So your subject line is going to show up at the very top of your message. Keep in mind, as people receive these messages on their phone, this is going to be those first few words that are going to show up on their home screen. So this is really what's going to get them to pay more attention or just kind of get an idea of what that message is actually about. So this can be a useful tool inside your message. Once your subject line is filled out, just type out your message. So ranch equipment, spring savings, 10% off, all brands, ends May 31st. Now that's a pretty good message, but you can also make it even better by adding an image of your ranch equipment. Maybe you can take a picture of some new chute you just got in, or something that you really want to make sure that your customer sees. It's amazing how much better people respond to messages when there's an image in them. So simply choose the file that you want to put into your message. We've got a picture here of an SO4 squeeze chute from Prefert, and we are uploading it. It'll automatically resize the image for you and go ahead and put it directly into the message. So you can see it's going to show up here as an attachment. You can see it loading in your message. This is exactly how the customer is going to see it when it comes across. Now that's a really good message, but we can also add a shoppable link if we want to. Maybe this shoot is actually on your website as well, and you want them to be able to click on your website to see more details. Maybe you're able to drop ship some of these items or even ship them yourself, depending on what it is. So let's add a link, shop now, and then click this link button right here. And you can actually add a trackable link. So we're gonna go www.feedstore.com and track this link. Now it's gonna look kind of funny inside your message, and that's just the code, that the HTML code that is telling the message how to act, but your customer is gonna see this over here. So it's automatically gonna be shortened, which is really important to keep your character count down, and the customer can simply click this message and they'll be redirected to the URL that you put in or your website. Now, what's really cool about BRANDtext, and not all text marketing platforms offer this, but BRANDtext does, is that customers, when they receive this, they can actually reply to your message. So just like a normal text message, they could receive this message and reply. Now, those messages are actually going to show up in your inbox right over here. You'll get a notification and a you have mail notification saying that you have it, but you can read it by clicking on your inbox. And here you can see, do you have an SO4 squeeze chute? And you can click into it and reply right away, and it becomes a one-on-one conversation. It's a really nifty tool to keep the sales process going and to provide better customer service right away, so that customer doesn't have to call, ask, be put on hold. It's an immediate conversation, and it can be managed very easily by the business. So those are just a few ways that you can use BRANDtext marketing to promote your business with bulk messaging. And we'll be sure to add a video where we'll talk about how you can communicate via BRANDtext with one-on-one textable landlines. Thank you so much for tuning in. Have a great day.